Got a 2022 Street Glide. We're gonna do a little transformation to it. We got some badass carbon fiber parts from Hoffman at Hoffman Designs, and we're gonna swap out the bags, fenders, bag lids, and dash. Change out all the carbon fiber, change out the tail lights. We got some wheels going on it, brake rotors, so bear with us, check it out. We just want to let you know we're continuing on with this project, this early M8 Street Glide. Got some Hoffman wheels here, Hoffman carbon fiber we're putting on here. We've got these performance rotors from Gbrakes. It's an American-made company. We're going to swap out the wheels, put the rotors on there, and run this thing down the road. We like to support American-made companies. Gbrakes is one, Hoffman, and we'll keep you posted. Check it out. This was the bike with the white tins on it, and we made a slight change at the end, but let me go through the overall job. We swapped out the stock tins for carbon fiber from Hoffman, bags, lids, side covers, dash, front fender, and we also got some wheels from Hoffman, and we also added G-brake rotors to the wheels just for a little added touch. These are all USA made parts from our local vendors here in the States. So again, just right at the end, we changed out the sheet metal. We had this from another bike that we did, and I thought it would look better with the carbon, and it sure as hell does. It looks a lot better than the white stuff. So that being said, bike came out awesome.